Intacct, the TrueCloud accounting and ERP system, has just received its second update of 2025. In this video, we'll go over some of the major and minor changes and new features that were included in this release. We will not be discussing every single alteration in the release, and we will only be covering the aspects that are applicable to UK users. If you would like to learn more about this release, or Sage Intacct in general, please use the links in the description. Now let's discuss some of the changes that were included in the 2025 R2 release of Sage Intacct. With this new feature, you can automate transactions that do not have a source match defined. This streamlines and speeds up the process of transaction entry. It creates draft transactions based on documents that you upload, filling in certain details for you. This is an early adopter feature at the moment. If you would like to sign up to the early adopter program, please use the link in the description. Entity-level accounts receivable statements now show credit applied from other entities. Prior to this, external credit showed in reports, but only advances and overpayments showed in AR statements at the entity level. Inter-entity billback now supports child locations for an entity. This means you can now create billback accounts receivable AR sales invoices with more detailed location coding. And a warning is now shown when you try to reverse a customer advance. Sage Intacct will now warn you that the transaction has been reconciled and would you like to continue. This feature lets you keep better control of your reconciled periods and avoid unintended changes. This feature was created as a suggestion by real Sage Intacct users. Sage Intacct users can suggest new features using the Sage Intacct community. You can now import credit card transactions for reconciliation. This works with multiple file formats including CSV, QIF and XLS amongst many others. You can now reclassify GL account for credit card transactions that are reconciled or in paid or partially paid state, so long as they originate from cash management. In an attempt to streamline your workflow, when you save a report in Financial Report Writer, Sage Intacct will analyze it and may suggest recommendations, or may even suggest a different way to accomplish your goal. When importing data, rather than waiting for an email to notify you of any issues, there is now a dedicated import workspace that gives you real-time visibility, helping to streamline your processes. In this video, we have discussed just some of the new changes and features that were included in the 2025 R2 release. If you would like to learn more about this release or Sage Intacct in general, please use the links in the description, or you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.